Can you add a picture after posting it on Instagram? Hey everyone, in this tutorial we're going to see if it is possible for you to add a picture after you have posted on Instagram. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's begin. The first thing you want to do is open up your Instagram and make sure that you're logged into your account. So if you want to post anything or you want to post multiple pictures at one time, then what you usually do is tap on the profile icon at the bottom right and then tap on the plus icon at the top right and then select posts. And once you do that, it will open up your gallery and you can choose multiple pictures from here. So if you wanted to post multiple pictures, you just choose on this option and select multiple pictures like this. Now, if you want to add a new picture to the old one, so for example, as you can see, this here right here is a singular photo. But if you wanted to add a picture here, what you could try to do is go ahead and tap on the three lines and you can try to edit it, but you can only edit its caption, add a location, add a collaborator, or you can also add a music, but you cannot do anything else other than that. So what you can also do is adjust the preview of the photo, so how it looks on your profile. That is the thing that Instagram has made an update to. But that's pretty much it. That's all you can do. You cannot add another picture, but if you would like to add another picture, you can try to archive it if you don't want to completely delete it, and then repost the picture with another picture added. So that's it for this video, guys. If Instagram brings out a new feature that lets you do this, then we'll be the first one to let you know. So be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.